Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Now guys, it looks as though we have had a breakthrough in the El-Zakzarky situation. It looks as though there's been movement, all thanks to Femi Falana and his agitation on his behalf. So guys, with that, I bring you this. El-Zakzarky wife depart Nigeria for India under DSS supervision. So that's the headline. El-Zakzarky and wife depart Nigeria for India under DSS supervision. So it's only a very short little story, so there's really not much to read you on this one, so let's just dive straight into it. Leader of the Islamic movement in Nigeria, IMN, Sheikh Ibrahim El-Zakzarky, will depart Nigeria today through the Abuja International Airport to India. The IMN leader was already in Abuja and waiting to be flown to India along with DSS personnel by a privately chartered aircraft. Recall that a Kaduna State High Court granted El-Zakzarky and his wife medical leave to undergo treatment at an Indian hospital of their choice. The court ordered that they be released to go to the hospital and return for the continuation of their trial after their discharge from the hospital. So that's really the whole summary of it. Is effectively now, but that guy is not in the air yet, so when he gets in the air, then we can start to celebrate. But to all intents and purposes, and all the directions point towards this guy heading towards India now to go and get the much needed treatment that he and his wife needs. So a breakthrough for the Nigerian civic action. So now we now have Showore and Dasuki left in the custody of these people. So that this is now where we need to concentrate with our attention and our energy, because it looks as though El-Zakzarky has escaped the vice grip of the Buhari cabal, and it looks as though he's now on his way to India to get his much needed treatment. So conversations in the comment section is what I am inviting. Is this a victory for civic movement in Nigeria, is the question that I am asking. So come tell me what your answers are in the comment section. But before you come tell me what your answers are in the comment section, click on the red subscribe button so it turns gray. Bell button notifies you every time I drop a new video. Then come tell me what your opinions are in the comment section. So I'll leave you here, carry on with you in the comment section, but here I say peace.